Hey kids, you bored? You just sitting around lounging on a couch listening to the radio right now? Well, tune in and listen up. My name's Pat, and I'm supporting Dragonfly Footbags right now. They specialize in making all types of hacky sacks that branch from metal BB hacky sacks, sand-filled ones, and your old school type BB hacky sacks. Well, you might want to go grab one at footbag.net, or grab a t-shirt while you're there, or some stickers, any apparel, you know. Hook yourself up, show it off to your friends, show your skills, pull some tricks, you know. See how many games you guys can play. We'll see you out there. And don't break any windows while you're playing that game of hacky sack.